my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make broccoli. You need green felt fabric, scissors, thread and needle, pins, stuffing, paper and pencil. Take your paper and draw. Take this green felt, place on fold, and take your pattern and cut here. Place your pattern, pin, and cut. Take this green and also place on fold, pin and cut. Okay, remove pins here. Place this aside. Take this and take another green. Okay, and do like this. Place here and cut here. Okay, take this part, take one of these, take this one, place here, take your thread and needle and sew right round. Like that, leave an opening here and then take this one, place here and sew from here to here. Okay, like that, leave an opening here, here and here, and now sew here, here and here and here. it over here and here, like so, and then take your stuffing and insert. Okay, like that. Put this aside. Take this one. Take one of these and draw mouth and eyes here, like this. Like that, and then take this one and sew from here to here. Okay, insert stuffing here. And attach here. Tabasane kuona. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. Bye.